We're just bringing to you today a little bit of a technical update. So anybody with 991s, 981s, 718s and so on, so more of the modern Porsche, with the PADM engine mounts. They've been quite a topic over the forums actually very recently, because we've seen, and a lot of people are seeing, that the PADM engine mounts are starting to fail now. Now, most of the failures, certainly that we've seen, and there will be on the footage some codes that come up on the dash and on the Pyrrhus diagnostic systems. The cause for most of the failures is actually the pressure sensor inside the engine mount. Now, the only way that you can rectify this problem with Porsche is buying a very expensive engine mount. So, for example, this particular car here, 2017 GTS, if it needed a PADM engine mount replaced with a genuine like-for-like Porsche item, they're now £921 plus VAT, even before fitting. So someone clever out there, much cleverer than I, have designed this little gadget. So this, actually, believe it or not, in this little aluminium machine block here, it's got a pressure sensor. So what we're able to do is remove the engine mount, take the wiring out of the engine mount and replace it with this element here. Now this plugs straight into the PADM engine mount. Now one of the rationales behind why they fail is that Porsche run a single wire, and the single wire has multiple purposes. Firstly, obviously to tell the car where the engine is and to work with the active mount, but the other side is it sends a signal for the pressure mount, and the pressure mount that fails is through that single wire, and the new solution is giving a little bit more life to it as well. So you've got a separate wire for the pressure sensor, you've got a separate wire for your mount. Now what happens is this goes into the car, replaces the pressure sensor on the PADM engine mount, one loom plugs into the engine mount, and then this loom then plugs into the car. So effectively taking the signals from two wires out the engine mount. That's the little technical bit. The nice thing about it is we stock these now. We always have two in stock, so if you have a failed mount and need it replaced, and where they're here it can be done, but you also have a fixed cost. So if you want to do preventive maintenance or you had one going down, we try and make recommendation, if you've got one done, do the pair while you're there. We have a fixed cost, so we're £995 plus the VAT to replace both of these on your PADM engine mounts. All fitted, all in, cost, parts and labour. Now if you compare that to one mount at £921, it's a massive saving, and no point replacing an engine mount that's not needed. We are going to do a technical blog on it, so that'll be on the website, so if you want any questions go there. If not, give us a call and we'll be happy to talk you through. Thanks very much.
Join us with this lovely example of a 924 turbo that we've had in for the past sort of 6 to 8 months. Those of you who've been to our coffee mornings would definitely have seen it hiding in the corner somewhere. As you can see, we've been carrying on a meticulous engine bay restoration, which was started off by the customer, but got a bit stuck with a couple of items, which have then become sort of problems. One of which being the shutter valve on the turbo has been getting quite sticky and stuck, causing it not to boost properly. So we've put a new turbocharger front housing on it to accommodate the new hybrid turbo impeller shaft and everything. But as you can see, everything in the engine bay has been sort of restored or has been bought new. It's a lovely finish on most of the items under there, and I can assure you that it looks pretty much the same underneath. So yeah, a lovely little example of a lovely 924.
We've got this lovely 968 coming in stock. You probably see quite a variant stock in our showroom. We buy anything or we'll sell anything that's of a great quality, great service history, great spec, from transaxle to air-cooled to water-cooled. I'm really pleased to present this stunning 968 Club Sport. The nice thing with this car, it actually belongs to a friend of mine, real 968 aficionado. He's actually got another one as well. And this one he's decided to sell and approached us to sell it for him. This particular car is actually one of the express cars. It is left-hand drive, so not to everyone's taste. I'll be honest, I actually prefer a 968 in left-hand drive. Just a really unusual, good driving car. A bit understated in my view and often overlooked. Partly I think because a good Club Sport commissions a lot of money. They are expensive to maintain and fix. Their transaxle stuff and parts are getting harder and harder to get hold of. This is a car that I would be happy to have in my garage at home. I think if I took any more cars home though that I keep buying in the stock and fall in love with, I might be divorced. So, great 968 Club Sport, press car, so it's got some real pedigree behind it. It's in stock. If you want to come down and view it and talk to us about it and see it, please give Matthew or me a call and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks very much.